What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope everybody's doing well. We're going to go over our friend Matic, currently sitting at 99 cents, as well as ETH has started to break out, but I still think it's corrective, but we'll get into it. We're up 1.3 on the day, seeing a market cap of 9.23 billion, 24 hour volume 335 million. So let's hop into the charts. So we're still going through this corrective triangle, in my opinion. If you zoom out, I'll show you the wave count. Looking at a leading diagonal, wave 1, A, B, C into a 2. And then if we zoom in, we're coming down in our wave C. Basically, you've come down in a wave 1, and most coins right now are going through a corrective triangle in a wave 2, and then you'd be looking for continuation down to about 70 cents. Now, if we do push up and we break this high, simply means the wave E may not be complete yet for this Elliott wave triangle. But as you can see, we don't really have any impulsive move up yet, so I still think it's corrective, and we'll see continuation to the downside. Weekly chart underneath the weekly EMAs. If we cannot get back above them, we are likely to come back down and retest major support. We have major support here at about 70 cents, 75 cents. We'll drop in a nice little yellow box. So ETH has started to make a move, but I still think it's corrective. The thing about wave Bs, wow, we're seeing a big push right now. It just pushed up to about 6%. Wave Bs can be overshooting, and as of right now, we don't have much of an impulsive move. As you can see, all of this is chip top sideways corrective. So if we were to get a strong impulsive move, especially if we come up and break these highs at about 21, 24, there is a chance that this wave 2 could be complete. I do believe it's met the minimum requirement if we take a fib retracement from the bottom all the way up to the top. Price has come down to the 38.2% fib level, which is the minimum target. But it wouldn't line up with BTC's wave count. Of course, anything can happen. So if we were to see a large impulsive move, we break this high, there is the opportunity to put in that wave 3. We'll have to see how it plays out. But personally, I still think we're going through the wave B and still going to come down in a wave C. Corrections, they can take quite a long time, and they can be very choppy. So looking on the weekly time frame, we are close to having the bullish cross on the weekly, the 20 over the 55. Into Sunday's close, we'll inch closer to that. So if we can hold that weekly cross, as I mentioned, that's when you could see a huge breakout all the way up to 4,102. The weekly cross is a strong bullish sign that the bottom is in for the market, especially for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So just watch ETH. It is starting to push up right now. We're up about 6%. If we do come up and break this high, there obviously is the opportunity of starting to push up in that wave 3. But as I mentioned, wave Bs can be overshooting, so just be very cautious, because all of this is just chip chop sideways price action. And of course, you need Bitcoin also to start to break to the upside. It is starting to push up a little bit here, but you would need to see a large breakout for BTC as well. If we are going to see that continuation to the upside. Personally, right now, I still think we're going through the correction, but we'll have to see how it plays out. So for Matic, I still think we're putting in that corrective triangle, but if we do see a large impulse to the upside, we will have to adjust this wave count. But I do think there's a good chance of coming back down to retest this support at about 77 cents, 75 cents. We'll have to see how everything plays out. So that is it for this one. Make sure to sign up to either Bybit or Bybit, up to 8K in bonuses on Bybit, up to 30,000 on Bybit. Check out my full-length tutorials. Email me or sign up email, completely free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. At the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, trade signals, crypto news, member profits, how to alt plays. Otherwise, it's $10 a month. You can sign up to the Patreon link. All links in the comments. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.